Hello everyone, my name is Agaba Philip and I'd like to welcome you to my course Configuring Network Storage Solutions using Red Hat Enterprise Linux. I'm a database and systems administrator here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I've been using Enterprise Linux for about 10 years now. If you're responsible for the administration of Linux servers in production, it won't be long before you have the need to overcome the limitations of storage on a single computer. In this course, I'm going to show you how to solve your organization's storage problems, big or small, without blowing your budget on expensive third-party solutions. This course is extremely practice-oriented. It's completely imbued with exercises and challenges for you to solve. And even though we're going to be using a fictitious company in our scenarios, the problems we're going to be solving are extremely real-world. Some of the major topics that we will cover include data replication with GlusterFS, administrating the storage area network, and sharing files heterogeneously with the SMB protocol. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create robust and practical storage solutions that are efficient and cost-effective. Before taking this course, you have to be comfortable working inside the Linux terminal. It also helps if you have some Linux administration experience. I hope you'll join me on this adventure as I go about configuring network storage solutions on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, right here on Pluralsight.